Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, today I have for my ride-on lawn tractor, I have the maintenance kit. Now, a little disappointing. Of course, when you buy off of Amazon, you never know. I bought the maintenance kit, but it came all separately. All the pieces came separately. That loose. All this stuff came loose. It's all Kohler stuff. Oil, plugs, but it didn't come in the kit that it showed online. Maybe for shipping, not sure. But this is what I got. But that's fine. It's here. It's all what it should be. That's all that matters, right? This is the Kohler 7000 series, 22 horsepower V-twin. And here we are, driver's side in the US. Open her up. Right there is the fuel filter. Right under here is the spark plug. And on the other side is another spark plug right there. So that everyone can see everything happening, I'm going to take off the hood. Let's get cracking. Let me take the hood off. The air filter sits right under the hood. Don't forget your manual. If you have to, look it up online. The spark plug gap for all these models is 0.030 or 0.76 millimeters. Looks like a 5/8. These are Champion RC 12YCs. This is a 5/8. Yes. Your standard 5/8 spark plug socket. Let's get this side off. Alright, just my luck. This type doesn't have 030 on it. So I'll have to use a feeler gauge and just set it with this 030. 030. And it's 030. Okay. This one. It's 030. There we go. There we go. Let's put spark plug boots back on. There we are. Let's work on the fuel filter. Now, clamp it off best you can. I don't have to. I have the cutoff valve, but let's clamp it off anyway. There we go. I use my cutoff. I've never used these on fuel line. Let me know if I did it wrong. I did it right at the edge. But anyway, it's out. Let's catch some fuel in there. It shouldn't be much. And I'm going to use these clamp pliers. Get these clamps. Let's see. There we go. Nice. Release. see. There we go. And it ratchets. Let me release. There we go. There we go. There we go. 25 050 22. Okay, same thing. Now, take note of the arrow. That's the direction of the flow. There we go. Would have been nice if I reinstalled this in the same direction, huh? What are you gonna do? There we go. Open her up. Make sure there are no leaks. Start it up. Perfect. No leaks. These two clips. Air filter. Dirty. Enough the area. Not too bad. Could be worse. Like right here. Pretty nasty. I cleaned this out a couple months ago. So it has about 8 mows on it. Keep that clean. Keep that clean and clear. New air filter. That is that. I already have a video on changing the oil in this thing. So I'll link it, let's see. Right here, maybe. I think it's right here. We'll go in here, and then the exclamation point and all that wonderful stuff. But anyway, that would be the maintenance kit on the Kohler 7000 series, 22 horsepower engine. And mostly any Kohler 7000 series. It says 7000 series, period. So I would think that they're all the same. So that was quick and easy. So no reason to not do this kind of maintenance on your mower. This is what I'm going to consider my yearly maintenance on it. Keep up on it. If you keep up on these things, they won't fail you prematurely, and you'll be happier with them a lot longer. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.